how to check and test NFC health status on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Now here, so click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on Device Care. So you will see Device Care is here, so click on Device Care. Now here, scroll down and click on Diagnostics. So after click on Diagnostics, click on Phone Diagnostics. So scroll down and click on NFC. So if you want to check and test NFC health, so you will see after click on test, you will see test result is normal. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can check and test NFC health status on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.